We humans are a diverse bunch. We come in a kaleidoscope of temperaments, motivations, and quirks. This intricate tapestry of individual differences is what we call personality. Understanding personality, our own and that of others, can feel like trying to solve a complex puzzle, but psychology, with its scientific lens, provides valuable tools and insights to unlock this fascinating mystery. By delving into the core constructs of personality, we gain a roadmap to navigate the intricate landscape of human behavior. What exactly do we mean when we talk about personality? This question has intrigued psychologists, philosophers, and thinkers for centuries. Personality is a complex and multifaceted concept that encompasses a wide range of human behaviors and traits. In essence, it refers to those enduring patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that make each of us unique. These patterns are what distinguish us from one another and give us our individual identities. They are the lens through which we view the world and the framework within which we operate. It's our personal style of interacting with the world and the people around us. Whether we are outgoing or reserved, optimistic or pessimistic, our personality shapes our interactions and relationships. It influences how we communicate, how we handle stress, and how we make decisions. Imagine personality as a set of deeply ingrained blueprints that influence how we perceive, interpret, and respond to our experiences. These blueprints are formed through a combination of genetic predispositions and life experiences. They are the mental and emotional frameworks that guide our behavior and shape our responses to the world around us. While our personality can evolve subtly over time, it tends to remain relatively stable throughout our lives. This stability is what allows us to maintain a consistent sense of self and navigate the complexities of life with a degree of predictability. However, significant life events and experiences can lead to changes in our personality, prompting us to adapt and grow. This underlying consistency allows us to predict our own behavior and anticipate how others might act in different situations. Understanding our personality helps us to make sense of our actions and reactions, and it provides a framework for understanding the behavior of others. It is a key component of our self-awareness and social intelligence. But what shapes these enduring patterns? The study of personality is a complex field that draws on insights from psychology, biology, and sociology. Researchers have identified a range of factors that contribute to the development of personality, including genetic influences, early childhood experiences, and cultural and social contexts. The answer lies in a complex interplay of factors, with our genes laying the foundation upon which our environment and upbringing build. Our genetic makeup provides the raw material for our personality, but it is our experiences and interactions with the world that shape and refine it. From the nurturing we receive as children to the challenges we face as adults, every aspect of our environment plays a role in shaping who we are. Understanding this interplay can help us to better understand ourselves and others and to appreciate the rich diversity of human personality. One of the most influential models in personality psychology is the five-factor model, more commonly known as the Big Five. This model has been extensively researched and validated across different cultures and populations, making it a cornerstone in understanding human behavior and personality. This model proposes that human personality can be understood through five broad dimensions, each representing a range of behaviors and attitudes that define who we are. These dimensions are openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Each of these traits captures a unique aspect of our personality, influencing how we interact with the world and with others. Think of these traits as the fundamental building blocks of personality. They are the core components that shape our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, providing a framework for understanding the complexities of human nature. Each trait represents a spectrum, with individuals falling somewhere along its continuum. This means that rather than being categorized into fixed types, people exhibit varying degrees of each trait, creating a unique personality profile for every individual. Openness describes those who are intellectually curious, imaginative, and open to new experiences. People high in openness tend to be creative, enjoy exploring new ideas, and are often drawn to artistic and cultural activities. Conscientiousness, on the other hand, centers around traits like organization, responsibility, and a strong work ethic. Individuals who score high in conscientiousness are often reliable, disciplined, and excel in planning and goal setting. They are the ones who keep things running smoothly, ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently and effectively. Extroversion is characterized by sociability, enthusiasm, and a tendency to seek out social interactions. Extroverts are often energetic, talkative, and thrive in social settings, drawing energy from being around others. Agreeableness reflects traits like kindness, empathy, and cooperation. Those high in agreeableness are typically compassionate, value getting along with others, and are often seen as trustworthy and helpful. Neuroticism, the final dimension, involves emotional stability and the tendency to experience negative emotions. Individuals high in neuroticism may be more prone to anxiety, mood swings, and stress, but this trait also brings a heightened awareness of potential threats and challenges. Together, these 5 dimensions provide a comprehensive picture of human personality, helping us understand the diverse ways in which people think, feel, and behave. By exploring these traits, we gain valuable insights into ourselves and others, fostering greater empathy and connection in our interactions. Understanding the Big Five can be incredibly valuable in our daily lives. These 5 traits, openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism, serve as a framework to understand human behavior and personality. Each trait represents a spectrum, and everyone falls somewhere along these spectrums. By recognizing where we and others fall, we can navigate our interactions more effectively. These traits color our interactions, shape our preferences, and influence how we approach various situations. For example, someone high in openness may be more willing to try new experiences and embrace change, while someone lower in openness might prefer routine and familiarity. Understanding these nuances can help us appreciate the diversity in how people think and behave. For instance, someone high in extroversion might thrive in social settings and enjoy being the center of attention. They often draw energy from being around others and are typically more outgoing and assertive. This can be seen in their enthusiasm during group activities and their comfort in taking the lead in conversations. On the other hand, someone high in introversion might find solace in quiet environments and prefer one-on-one conversations. They may feel drained by too much social interaction and need time alone to recharge. This doesn't mean they are shy or antisocial, rather they simply have a different way of engaging with the world. Recognizing these tendencies in ourselves and others can lead to more effective communication and stronger relationships. When we understand that a friend or colleague's behavior is influenced by their personality traits, we can approach interactions with greater empathy and patience. This awareness can help us avoid misunderstandings and build deeper connections. Imagine you're working on a group project. Each team member brings their unique personality traits to the table, which can either enhance or hinder collaboration depending on how well these traits are understood and managed. Understanding that your teammate high in conscientiousness thrives on structure and deadlines, you can tailor your approach to collaborate more effectively. They might appreciate clear instructions, detailed plans, and a well-organized schedule. This can help ensure that tasks are completed efficiently and to a high standard. Conversely, if you have a teammate who scores lower on conscientiousness, they might prefer a more flexible approach. They may be more spontaneous and adaptable, which can be beneficial in dynamic situations. By recognizing and respecting these differences, you can create a more harmonious and productive working environment. By adapting your communication style to align with different personality styles, you can foster smoother interactions and minimize misunderstandings. This might involve being more direct with some people and more diplomatic with others, depending on their personality traits. Ultimately, understanding and appreciating the Big Five personality traits can enhance our everyday interactions. It allows us to navigate the complexities of human behavior with greater insight and compassion, leading to more meaningful and effective communication in all areas of our lives.